Hello everyone. Let us see the levels for today on Nifty and Bank Nifty. We'll also see how the levels worked yesterday and how we did trading yesterday. So on Nifty, this was the supply and demand area which we marked yesterday. It didn't give any entry at the supply or at the demand area. We also thought as in the yesterday video, I explained just to mark some line over here, and if you see any strong breakout, we can try to enter put for this target of 18,420 or 400 levels. It didn't give entry almost at the last candle after 315. It just broke this level, and the closing again it went little above. So basically Nifty didn't give any proper entry yesterday. So how we will be trading today? The same levels which we marked yesterday. 18,600 will be the supply and 18,400 will be the demand area. This is where we can go long and this is where we can go short. Let me also show you some 5 minutes level. So on 5 minutes, we have this two supply areas. So if the price reach this area, and if you see any rejection here, you can enter puts here. So ideally, we would like to enter in between these two zones. If you don't want to miss the entry, if you have like plan to enter two lots, enter one lot here and one lot over there, so that your average price will become this. And definitely your stop loss, you need to maintain little above this. Or if you see any strong closing above this supply area, then you can come out just with like 10-15 point stop loss as well. But ideally, this is where your stop loss should be above the previous high. And your target, you can look for the target at least like 1:2 or 1:3 here in Nifty. And let me go back to the 15 minutes. Let me also show you something here where we can go long. Not only going long here, we can also go long above this resistance area. If you see price going above this area, any strong closing above this area, we can look to go long. This high, this line has some significance because this is not only last 2-3 days high or something, this is also previous month high. This is the high of May month. So once this cross, the high unlikely, there is a high chance like in next or at least by end of this month will be in green only. Let me show you the monthly chart. So if you see, every month it was breaking the low of the previous months, and here we made some indecisive candle, and this is the green candle on monthly. And once the high has been taken out, last month also we have seen some nice green candle, and this month if you see any closing above a previous month high, there is a high chance market can go much high, and we are very close to all-time high as well. No wonder even if you break the all-time high very soon. So that is why I said this has some significance. I'm talking about this level. This has the significance, like, this is also last month high. Once it go above, definitely we can look to go long either there, or then by then we will see if there is any demand area nearby. Once the price come back for retesting, we'll enter there. So for now, this is the plan. Short from this level, long from this level, and long again if this price has been taken out. Let me now show you the Bank Nifty levels. So on 15 minutes, let me close yesterday's candle. So on 15 minutes, we normally mark only two demand and two supply areas. So these are the two things we marked. We thought like to enter some calls over here and some calls over here, because we always know the best entry is in between the two demand areas when there are like level below level. So what happened during the day? It didn't give any entry. Almost at end of the day, the price touched the demand area and we have seen some small pullback from there. Let me show you how we traded yesterday. I'll take you back to the 5 minutes. See, market is unique every day. You can't simply follow one thing. Every day it will give you entry based on something. Sometimes we may rely on previous high, previous low. Sometimes we rely on some trend lines. So yesterday what happened, I'll show you some nice level which we traded on 5 minutes. So this is what happened. So yesterday, if you remember, this was the gap area. See, if you remember, this was the gap area when Bank Nifty came, tried to fill the gap, and from there it started bouncing. Again it came back, again took support, again it was facing resistance, which means, don't you think there is something we need to relay here? There is some sort of resistance. People are, even though it filled the gap, people are not letting it to go above this level. So just I mark these two levels, and then later day we know like how the trade went and all. Now what this has to do with today's trading? Let me show you something interesting. On 5 minutes, this is one nice demand area which we found. So after seeing the first 3 red candles, everyone might thought like today it is going to be a huge red candle or huge fall or something. This is exactly where I have given a call. After 3 red candles on 5 minutes, once it reached the demand area, we plan to enter 44,200 call. So the expectation is we entered it around 42 rupees. First target we expected was to go to the current day high. This is the first candle, current day high. We thought like it will go there. Once it breaks, I thought it can go even much higher levels. So what happened here? Exactly from the demand area, we have seen reaction. Once it went close to this area, our 43 rupees call has become double, more than 80 rupees. This is where I asked either you can book complete profit or book half quantity to make it risk free, or to come out a complete trade. So the call we entered here, we have seen nice pullback from there, and the call has become double. If this level would have taken out, that would have given you like multiple times of return. Now see what happened throughout the day. From there, exactly how it acted yesterday. From there, it came back to this line, and again it is trying to trade only in this range. Whenever it come to this line, and it is taking a bounce, and whenever it go there, it is again taking resistance. I thought like, maybe we can see some breakout around this level, but it didn't happen. And I was keep on telling yesterday to go short only when the price go below 43,950. So this is where market will tell I don't have strength to go up, I'm going down. So this is where, because you don't know where it will make us full. Maybe it can come again one more time back to the demand area, and from there again it can go back. So the only plan is we need some clear trade, and the clear trade will be below 43,950. This is what I've been telling yesterday. And if you see, once the price came below this level, we expected some nice fall from here. So I gave 43,800 put just at 18 rupees. As expected, you can see the fall. There was like a drastic fall, but as the fall came almost after 315, 320, we didn't get much money on that put we entered. That 18 rupees went like around 30 change something. Whereas that 43,800 has become more than 100 points inside the money. That would have been, that 18 rupees was supposed to be more than 100 rupees, but there was no increase in the premium, but the trade setup, everything is perfect. So that is how we traded yesterday on 5-minute level. Now for today, on 15 minutes, the levels will be more or less same as yesterday. But only thing is, I don't want to mark this level one more time because this is already tested. This level which we marked yesterday is already tested. Now we don't know if the market come back here, will there be some more buy orders pending or not? We don't know that. We don't have to rely on this tested level. We'll rely only on the fresh level. So if you see market coming to 43 580 levels, this is where we can enter long, and this is the area around 44,080. We can look to short with this stop loss, and the second level is this. So once if it stop you out, wait for it to come till here. This is where we can try to short one more time. And definitely if you see market going to all-time high one more time above 44,500, we can definitely look to go long over there. And if you want one more demand level below, that level is very far away, which is almost at 43,000, almost close to 42,940. That is where we have another demand area. So these are the 15-minute levels. So let me also show you 5 minutes so that we can quickly do some scalping wherever possible. As of now, I see SGX Nifty is trading some 50-60 points positive. Let me see one more time. Yeah, SGX Nifty is trading almost 85 points positive. So we can expect some gap up opening today. And if you see price opening above this level, we don't give importance to this level. Only if price come here, that is where we can go and short. And if it break this level also, we can look to go long for this target of gap area. And if you see any rejection here, this is where we can try some puts. And if you see market going above 44,500, that is where we can go long. So this is about Nifty and Bank Nifty levels today. See, if you watch the video just like half an hour or 1 hour before the market, you can remember the levels easily, and it will help you a lot to trade during the day. And always better mark these levels on your chart. That will definitely help you with your intraday trading on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Thank you so much for watching.